Chào mừng tất cả các bạn đến với kênh Tiếng Việt miền Nam cho người nước ngoài. In today's video, I will teach you how to pronounce a very famous Vietnamese food, phở. Let's start it. Okay, there are two steps to pronounce this word. So for the PH, in Vietnamese, we're gonna pronounce like an F. And the vowels, we're gonna pronounce Okay, now let's practice. Phở, phở, phở. Next step, combine that with a tone. So the tone, this is called low falling and rising, like the name has said everything. So you have to lower your voice first and then rise your voice. Now, lower your voice first. Phở, phở, phở. Now rise your voice. Phở, phở, phở. Now combine those two together. You lowering your voice first and rising your voice. Phở, phở, phở. Okay, so that's it. So this is the easy way. We have another way that a Saigonese they speak. That is for the instead of saying only, we're moving our lower jaw a little bit forward at the end of the sound. It's not only it should be oh, oh, oh. Okay, so try it with the way that a native speaker say. Phở, phở, phở. Okay, so there are two ways, the simple ways and the native way, a Saigonese way. If you say phở, it's totally fine, we can understand that. But if you can say phở, it's more impressive, okay? So that's all. Actually, we are working on a pronunciation course online. If you're interested in that course, just check on our website. If you want to watch more videos in the future, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell to turn on the notification so you won't miss any future videos. And that's all today. Cảm ơn, tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại.